Hey beauties, it's Shaq, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks about highlighting, contouring, and bronzing that you don't want to miss. Highlighting and contouring has been going on for years. If you look up the oldest makeup books and the oldest makeup videos, you will always find tips and tricks about contouring. We are so fascinated with contouring that you can Google it and find thousands, maybe millions of videos of people teaching you how to contour. But what's the right way to contour? Is there a right and a wrong way? The right way to contour is the way that you feel most comfortable and the way that you like to look. Don't let no one tell you any different. However, I want to give you some tips and tricks that I've learned throughout the years as a professional makeup artist. The art of sculpting and contouring the face can be done before the foundation, after the foundation, with creams or powders, and I want to show you a few ways. As you can see here, you can start with your concealer in a darker and a lighter shade to do contouring and highlighting, and then apply your foundation on top, and that way you have a base of contouring under the makeup that will translate best for photography makeup. And this other technique, you can apply your foundation and a concealer in a lighter and darker shade on top and blend it in, and that's another way to sculpt your face and make it look ready for the day. And that leads us to the most popular way of contouring and highlighting, which is on top of the makeup with powder products. The best thing to remember is that you want a matte deep color to contour because that's going to add depth and definition. You want a bronzy color or a warm tone color to give warmth to the face, and then you want a highlighter either with shimmer or a matte highlighter to give a glow to the face. Sculpting the face with highlight and contour is a way to trick the eye to make it believe that there's shapes and depth in places that are not there. It's all an illusion of the eyes and the light. Everyone always asks, where's the best place to apply the darker colors and where's the best place to apply the lighter color? What way should I contour depending on my face shape? All those questions are good, and you can find a lot of answers for that if that's what you want to look into. However, I find that the best thing to do is to look at your face and see what you want to remove and what you want to add or emphasize. And what I mean by that is that a darker matte tone is made to hide or to deepen things, and a shimmer or a matte highlighter is meant to bring things out or make them look bigger than they would. Therefore, when you look at your face and you see that you want the hollows of your cheek to look a little bit more sunken in, then you're going to add a deeper matte color there. And wherever you want your cheekbones to pop out, then you're going to apply a highlighter color, either matte or shimmer. Once you learn to study your face and learn where you want to place these products, you're going to get the perfect contour for your face shape. Let's face it, there's a lot of maps of the faces out there, but not all faces fit into a category. Sometimes a round face may still have a pointier chin. Sometimes a square shape may still have a round forehead. So the best thing to do is to see what you want to hide, what you want to bring out, and emphasize those things with makeup. Hopefully that helps you find the perfect way to contour and highlight. But for now, let me show you how I contour and highlight using our brand new Facet Palettes. So by now, I know that you've met the Facet's Midi palettes. These are my passion project. I love them so much. You have a contour color, a bronzing color, and a highlighting color all in one palette, perfect for every day and perfect for the summertime. Just a reminder that here at Ofra, we manufacture products every day. Our products are made right here in-house. And for that reason, when we came up with this idea a year ago, we got the samples right away. And I'm afraid to show you my sample because it looks so beat up, because I have not stopped using them since I got it. Look at that. I hit pan. I hit pan on it. That's how good it is. Look at how dirty it is. But I'm proud of it because to me, I found that it was so good that I use it on every makeup look that I've ever done. So let me show you how I like to use it. When we're talking about highlighting and contouring, I like to do the highlighting first, because think about it when you walk into a room. When you walk into a room, it's dark, and when you turn on the light, all the darkness goes away. Light is more powerful than darkness. Therefore, when I apply a highlighter color on top of a contouring color, it's going to take away the dark color and only the light color is going to show up. Therefore, I always like to start my contouring and highlighting with the lighter color first. Therefore, I can blend into the lighter color the darker color. That's why I'm going to start with the highlighter in the Midi palette. And of course, this is Rodeo. Rodeo never disappoints. Next, I like to go in with my contour color, and this is the color Pacifica. What I like to do, I like to put it on the side of the brush, tap off the excess, and then go on the hollow of the cheekbones. So this is going to be different for everyone, and how long you drag it down is also different for everyone. So I have a round face. I want to bring it in the hollow. So if you don't know where the hollow of your cheekbone is, you can always place one finger in your cheekbone and then 2 fingers down is where the hollow will be. Or you can also go by the tragus of your ear right here, the little square, and then go in an angle from that. And that's the best way to find the hollow of your cheekbones. How low you bring it depends on your face shape. If you have a longer face shape, you want to leave it shorter. If you have a shorter face, you want to bring it longer, etc. So I'm going to bring mine up to where my iris starts. So as you can see, I deposit most of the color towards the back. Once it's nice and deposited, I want to blend it forward. And then whatever's left, I'm going to bring up into my temples. Now, if you have a small forehead, you don't want to do that. And then whatever's left, I bring it towards the bottom of my chin. I add a little bit more. I'm going to bring that right here to give shape and form to that area. Another place that you can contour to give more definition to is the crease of your eye. So you want to take the same color, and I'm going to apply that right where my eye folds. Now, if you don't know where to find the crease of your eye, we do have a video here on YouTube that you can go watch, and you can find your crease. Once I apply it and it's nice and blended, I'm going to get the excess that I have on the brush, and I'm going to bring that down towards the side of my nose, and I'm going to contour the side. Ever so lightly, of course. Unless you're doing photography makeup, then you can go as dark as you like. But if it's just to go out, very lightly. Now that we have highlighted and contoured, now we want to bronze the face. You definitely don't have to bronze and contour. It's just an extra option if you were to like to, but contour and bronzing are not the same things. A contour color is a matte shade that is meant to add depth. Usually that's why we like to use a cooler tone that will define wherever you're applying it. And a bronzer shade is a warmer shade, either shimmer or matte, that applies warmth to the skin. So that you can apply over the contours that you did, but if you didn't contour, you can literally apply it all over your face or on the outer areas of your face to add a sun-kissed look. So that I'm applying in the center of my brush, and I'm sweeping it all over the face, or more towards the outer areas of the face. And it kind of just blends everything together, but it also gives you that nice like sheen, blended look. I'm going to take that eyeshadow brush one more time, and I'm going to apply the bronzer, and I'm also going to apply that in the crease, but more towards the back, and blend it upwards and out. To keep the eyeshadow nice and light, I'm going to take now my highlighter, and I'm going to apply that on the lid towards the crease and blend it out. And I'm going to apply a little bit on my brow bone. And there you go. We're highlighted, contoured, and bronzed all with one palette. What do you guys think? I'm going to finish the other side and finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. And this is the final look I created using our Facet palettes. This is the contour look that I like to do normally. If I'm going out somewhere like that I need a simple look for, this is the kind of look I go for. I use my bronzer and my contour color to create the shadow, to create, you know, the fancy shape on the face. So I hope that you guys learned some tips and tricks with everything that I taught you today. I hope you guys like this video. I hope that you guys try these tricks yourself. If you like this video, don't forget to comment down below that you want to see more videos like this. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, beauties.